Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel I Love Plant. In this video we are diving creative and inspiration DIY garden decoration ideas. First of all, thanks for all my supporters and subscribers. Thank you for supporting me and watch my videos. My aim is simple. I have present pure and easy tip provide to you for your garden decoration ideas, landscape ideas and front yard and backyard garden decoration ideas and much more decoration ideas for your garden area. Looking to give your garden a beautiful refresh? In this video discover stunning garden decoration ideas that will completely transform your outdoor space. No matter in size, you can use upcycle containers to stylish DIY arrangement. These ideas brings both charm and creativity in your garden. These ideas are not easy to create, but they will also help you bring nature, your inspiration. This will really enhance your garden beauty and charming look in your garden area and your outdoor space. Did you know that you can transform your garden using materials that would otherwise go to waste? In this video, I show you creative, inspirative and sustainable ideas to decorate your garden by reusing objects such as tires, boots, pots, wheelbarrows and leathers and much more, all with a lot of style, personality and without spending almost anything. If you love gardening, recycling and use waste materials, so this video is for you. Decorating your garden with your own hand, beautiful, affordable and full of soul. Many people believe that garden design is an expensive luxury requirement, cozy furniture, decorative element and professional designer. But in reality, even the minimalist budget, you can create a unique, cozy and stylish corner by using simple material and a touch of imagination. Ready to decorate your garden into a whole new level? So more fun and creativity, you can different characters just like animal shapes and different funny faces to paint them and putting the planting concept. You can create different characters, shapes, pots and flowers or mini plants that looks fantasy in your garden. In this side of your garden, you can set the animal shapes plant pots. This enhance of your garden give a funky side look and more beautiful and attractive. You can use some pots and containers is a fun way to decorate your garden. You can use bright color to paint funny faces, animal or silly monster. Place the painting flower pots along garden path, near flower bed or under trees to surprise people. You can even make a story of painting different characters on each plant pots and placing them in order. These colorful plant pots add fun and joy to the garden and make it more exciting for kids and visitors. You don't need to spend a lot of money to make your garden look beautiful. There are many low-cost decoration ideas you can try. Use old pots, jar and cans, plant holder, paint them with bright colors to make them look fun. You can also hang string slide or make a path with stones, add a small benches or some painted rocks for extra charm. These simple ideas can make your outdoor space look lovely without spending too much money. You can create easy DIY plant decoration using waste material to home. All tin cans are perfect for making cute plant pots. First clean the cans and paint them in bright colors or fun design. Then fill them with the soil and plant some small flowers or herbs. You can also hang these tin pots using strong strings or place them on shelf in your garden or balcony. This idea helps you reuse waste and makes your space green and beautiful at the same time, and it looks very interesting and amazing. Decorating your garden with own hands, beautiful and affordable and full of soul. The main secret is that DIY decor not only save money but also make your garden truly special and beautiful. Every time you create will carry its own story, and the process of making it will brings joy and inspiration. Handmade elements, on other hand, are always unique, even if you replace an idea from the internet and result will still be one of a kind. Become your add your own imagination, color choice and personal detail. Creative and easy garden decoration ideas that will drive you crazy. To have a garden in such as blessing and cozy style in your garden area, it needs proper care to maintain the beauty and decor of your garden. If you think your garden needs to go throughout and restyle and amazing ideas, or it needs a beautiful centerpiece for an eye-catching look. Having a garden is such a blessing. It brings peace, beauty and a touch of nature right to your home. You can make it even more magical with simple and creative decoration ideas. These easy touches will turn your garden into cozy, dreamy escape you will fall in love with every day. In this video, you can see simple garden decoration ideas and garden art ideas. These ideas are as simple as we can do garden decor. Some interesting item, if you recreate these, your garden will look stunning and beautiful. You can decorate your garden with different material and create a new items. Create your garden now. Transform your garden into a charming place and attractive and beautiful outdoor space. You can colorful flowers, pots and transform your outdoor with beautiful colorful concept. In this video we observed that the old material of creativity in your garden and front yard and backyard make to look very charming and beautiful. Did you know that you can transform your garden using material that would otherwise go to waste? In this video I show you creative, inspirative and sustainable ideas to decorate your garden by reusing objects such as tires, boots, pots, wheelbarrows and leathers and much more, all with a lot of style, personality and without spending almost anything. If you love gardening, recycling and use waste material, so this video is for you. Looking to give your garden a beautiful refresh? In this video discover stunning garden decoration ideas that will completely transform your outdoor space. No matter in size, you can use upcycle containers to stylish DIY arrangement. These ideas brings both charm and creativity in your garden. Ready to decorate your garden into whole new level? So more fun and creativity. You can different characters just like animal shapes and different funny faces to paint them and putting the planting concept. You can transform old tires into unique and vibrant planters that add personality to your garden or outdoor space. This enhance of your garden give a funky side look and more interesting. Some interesting DIY garden decoration ideas I will share you. You can make your garden look beautiful using wooden material and pellets To creative way, use old wooden carrots or boxes to make plant stand or shelf. You can also hang small wooden pallets on a wall and place small pots in them for a vertical garden. Make wooden frames or ladders and decorate them with hanging plants. Use wooden logs or slice as stepping stones or to place flower pots on them. Even a small wooden benches or tables can add a natural touch in your garden area. Decorating your garden with your own hand, beautiful, affordable and full of soul. Many people believe that garden design is an expensive luxury requirement, cozy furniture, decorative element and professional designer. But in reality, even the minimalist budget, you can create a unique, cozy and stylish corner by using simple material and a touch of imagination. Simply garden decoration ideas, easy and creative style. Decorating a garden can be fun and exciting. You can give your garden fresh look by putting plants in creative way. Try using colorful pots, hanging baskets or wooden carrots, or place them your plant at different levels. You can also use old items like teacups, pots or bicycle as plant holder. For a unique touch, for a fun theme, decorate your garden with characters ideas like fairy garden, animal figures. For example, you can make corner with tiny fairy houses and mini plant to create a magical space. You can also add garden gone or painted rocks with smiley faces. These small details will make your garden look lively, cheerful and full of characters. Don't forget to add a light or wind charm to bring beauty and sound to your garden. A well-decorated garden with plants and creative items can be peaceful and happy place. I hope this video is very informative for you, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends and press the bell button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my upcoming videos. With more gardening ideas and creativity in your garden, so click channeling and watch out my all videos. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and safe. Goodbye.